Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be recreating makeup hacks from TikTok, although I'm using Instagram as a broker because I'm not that I don't like TikTok that much, so I'm going to be using Instagram as the broker. So we're going to be recreating, not recreating this look, but these hacks. The eyebrow hack, these are two different hacks for the eyebrows, two different hacks for the eyeliners. The other one was supposed to be the nose contour, but something went wrong. You're gonna see it in the video. So without much further ado, let us go straight into this video. So in this video they start off by drawing a Z, and then they fill in the brow and then clean it up. So that's how they do it. Fill it in and then like clean it up. So let's see if this hack actually works. So I'm gonna start off with my Davis eye pencil, and we should draw a Z. So I don't know how well you guys can see. They first draw a Z like that, and then they join it, fill it in, use a spoolie brush. I mean, it's not bad. It looks like an eyebrow. It looks like an eyebrow. So let's clean it up and see how authentic or how real this hack is. Also guys, I'm using a different camera just in case you can see me clearly. Just make sure you comment down below so that I can know what to do about it, because I might just be filming here and you can see what I'm doing. Again, so this is the result. That's how the eyebrow hack turns out when I clean it with a concealer. So I think it's a good hack. Actually the eyebrow looks so much better in person. I don't know if I'm the one who thinks that the camera is not working well, but it really looks nice, really nice. So this hack, I would give it a 10 out of 10, like a 10 out of 10. First of all, it's effortless. Do you know why? I'm not struggling to make like straight lines. Like I would start from here, draw this and then fill it in. It's just so easy for me to do. So a 10 out of 10. In the next eyebrow hack, they just use like dots to get that snatched look or the shape for the eyebrow. And so this is how it looks like. Okay, let me move. They place dots at the beginning of the eyebrow, at the arc of the eyebrow and at the tail, and then fill it in, blend it in with a spoolie and clean it as well. Okay, let's try it and see how well it works. Okay, so they start by making dots. They make the first dot there, the next one there, the next one there, and the last one right over there. And then they just join the dots. Okay. So that's how it looks when I join the dots. So let me fill it in and then clean it up. Not bad. Blend it out with a spoolie brush. Then clean it up. They don't actually like show us when they are cleaning it, but I believe they do, because for your brows to look snatched, you have to clean them. Like it goes without saying. Let me clean it up and then give you my review on what I think. Okay, so the moment of truth. So first off, that's how the eyebrow looks like. Not bad, but I feel like this is better than this. not in terms of how they look, but in terms of the strategy, the method used to make them, the method used to like come up with them, because I feel like this one is advanced. It's like for someone who is used to drawing the eyebrows, because you need to make like those straight lines. After you place the dots on the strategic place, you need like to make straight lines so that you can acquire the shape of the eyebrow you need. I prefer this one is beginner friendly, so beginner friendly. So in case you're a beginner and you're wondering, so which hack will I use this one, the Z1. That's more convenient. I mean, you don't even have to struggle, because it's like you already have the outline, you just need to fill it in. As for this one, if you're advanced in your makeup, then you can use this one. Just place the dots at the strategic places and then go on and fill it in and then clean it up. So let's move on to the next hack. So I'm just prepping my eyelids. I've already applied the concealer onto my lids, so I'm just setting it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. We are gonna move on to doing the eyeliner hack. The video is quite long, so I'm going to preserve the next hacks for the next video. Yeah, so let me just move on to the eyeliner hack. So let me set my eyelids, then come back and show you the eyeliner hack, right? So for the first eyeliner hack, so we have dots. You just use dots to like come up with the eyeliner, and then join the dots, fill it in, and that's it. Okay, let's try it before we make our conclusions. Let's try it. And we have meeting points, like, okay, let's try it. Okay, so let's start off by doing the dots. I'm using the eyeliner from Kiss Beauty to do this. I'm not sure if mine are dots. And then you have to join the dots. So far that's how it looks like, and then we need to fill it in. So that's the final look, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is actually so nice. Look at this. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, which reminds me, I did not rate this eyebrow. This eyebrow, I would rate it as a 7 out of 10. This one, these. Ha! Okay, like I would really rate this 10 out of 10. Just look at how precise that looks like. I mean, look at that. Look at that. If you're struggling with your eyeshadow, your eyeliner, what is wrong with me? If you're struggling with your eyeliner, I would definitely recommend this. Just look at how I did not even struggle, just following the dots. Can you remember the way that I don't know if it's kindergarten or is it nursery? I don't know, but the kids are normally shown how to draw numbers using dots, like join the dots. I mean, like, it's that simple. It is that simple. Look at that, so accurate. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Wow, this is nice. 10 out of 10. Definitely the hack works. The hack works like, oh my god, this is nice. So let's move on and try the other hack onto this eye and see how well it looks. The next hack is rather challenging because I'm not sure how accurate my hands are. I decided to add a bit of detail, like to kind of make a fox eye. I don't know how it looks anyway. So the next hack is really like challenging. Let's see if I'll be able to do it. But it's a nice hack. Less than 5 seconds, you're done. So yeah, let's see how it looks like. Did you guys see that? Okay, so let's try it. Let us try it. So they start off by making kind of a line with their eye pencil, like straight like this and then proceed to making that curve. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it, but let's try. Oh my gosh. Let me just clean this up and then give my review. I don't want to be biased, but okay, I think this hack is not beginner friendly, like for real. Okay, try to make it better, like to make it crispy like this, but this is what ended up happening. I'm just gonna be using the micellar water to clean that up because I'm going to try again just for the sake of not being biased. Okay, let's get rid of this. And we are back. Such a waste of products. Okay, let's try and make the hack work. The hack work. So they start by placing a line like this and then they join it, like they make the curve. Let's try it. I'm trying to be so much careful. So what do you guys think? I tried my best to make it look it's best. That's how it looks like. Honestly, in as much as I don't rely on hacks to do my eyeliner and stuff, I just make sure I get what I want. I wouldn't recommend this. I mean, look at how it looks like. It looks like you're desperate of doing makeup. Like it's you want to learn how to do makeup such that you are forcing things. Like look at this, you guys. Honestly, I would not recommend it at all. Like it doesn't even look like a winged eyeliner. Okay, it kind of looks like, but it doesn't. It's not. Okay, let me just say I'm not contented with it. But this on the other side, this. Oh my god, I'm in love with this one. But this one, I'd give it a 3 out of 10 because first of all, it messed up my face. If I had foundation on and I was like on the last step of doing my makeup, just imagine that whole black liquid eyeliner on your face when you have your foundation on, your finishing powder, like you're just about to leave the house. That is just something that you wouldn't want to experience. So a 3 out of 10. I feel like it doesn't give what it should give, so we'll definitely recommend this. This one is nice, so nice. I'm trying to imagine if I had like a smoky eyeshadow on here. Could have been the best. So let's move on to the next hack. So the next hack is how to contour your nose. So I guess I'm gonna have to wear my foundation so that we can try out the hack and see how efficient or how effective it is. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm done applying my foundation, and just in case you're wondering, yes, I did erase the eyeliner on this eye and did it like this one, and I'm loving it. So let's go ahead and use the nose contour. Okay, try the nose contour hack. So let's watch it then try it. So guys, they actually use tweezers to come up with a snatched nose contour, and I am left wondering what kind of tweezers are they using, because my nose can't literally fit here. It can't. So I'm like, what kind of tweezers are those? Anyway, I have another pair of tweezers. Let's see if it will work. If it won't, then I guess I won't be able to try the hack, which makes me kind of sad, but let's see. So these are the tweezers that I have, and I'm telling you, I don't know. Let's see. Let's try and fit them. Rather fit it. It actually can't work. Ouch! working. It's not working. So I think that is it for today's video. The video is long. I don't know if it's gonna edit today. It's 30 minutes long, like 27 headed for 28. It's 30 minutes long. So that's the look, that's the hacks. Those are the hacks that I've tried out today. If you liked this video, or rather if you enjoyed watching this video and finding out if the hacks that you actually watch on social media really work, be sure to comment down below, subscribe, and let me know if I should make more videos like this. So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you on my next video. Till next time, bye.